Alexa, turn on family room. What's up everybody, Barrett here with Spec Of Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about an inexpensive way for you to have some smart lighting in your home theater and your home in general. Alright guys, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell icon so you can be notified when my next video drops. If you guys are interested in this lighting, I'm going to put links down in the description. Make sure to check them out there. But we're going to get right into this video after the intro. Welcome back everybody. So before I get into the video, since most people that watch my channel are into home theater, I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try posting a movie of the week down in the description. The criteria is going to be that it'll be a Blu Ray disc that's 4K quality and $20 or under. I'm going to do this for all my videos that are home theater related. Today we're going to be talking about a $10 smart bulb that's made by a company called Teckin. If you're interested in checking out these lights, the link is in the description below. With more and more people utilizing smart devices in their homes, things like smart lights are getting more affordable and easier to use. Right now, a 4-pack of these bulbs is $39.99 on Amazon. So let's talk about the specs of these bulbs. They are an RGB bulb with 16 million colors. The white light is capable of 2800K to 6200K. And all that means is you can have a warmer light with a little bit more yellow or a cooler light with a little bit more blue. They are a 7.5 watt LED bulb, which is the equivalent to 60 watts of a traditional style bulb or about 800 lumen. They work with both and Google Home, or you can use it with the Smart Life app on your phone, which is available on iOS as well as Android. Most importantly, they do not require a hub to work, they only require Wi-Fi. You are even able to set schedules, timers, and countdowns with these bulbs for your convenience. The lifespan is 30,000 hours, or just over 27 years if you're using them about 3 hours a day. Alright, so let's discuss the build quality. There's not much to say here, guys. For the majority, the bulb is plastic. The actual bulb or the dome part itself is plastic, but it seems durable enough. The casing is also made of like a composite type plastic, and then of course the part that threads into the socket is metal. Considering it's a bulb, I don't imagine you're going to have any issues because once you install it, it's just going to sit there. There's no real risk of damage. Okay, so how do you use these bulbs? All you need is Wi-Fi with a 2.4 gigahertz signal. They're not compatible with 5 gigahertz, so that's something to note here. And then all you need to do is install this Smart Life app, which is available on the Android store or iOS. And then you need to create an account within Smart Life. And once you've created the account, you open up the app and you just go, you hit the little plus sign here, and then you go to lighting, and then of course you're going to want to add Wi-Fi lighting, so you click on that. The directions are very clear and easy to follow, and actually if you go to the Amazon link below, there's even some instructions on there on how to connect these lights. So I have my lights labeled in 3 different zones in my family room. So I have the theater entrance, I have the display, and then I have the theater room itself. And then of course I group all those together in what I call the family room. So I can control these zones individually by using or the Smart Life app, or I can control them all together by using the command as family room. You can change the lights into pretty much any color you want, and as I stated earlier, you can even change the white color from a warmer to a lighter color. The lights are also dimmable. So all you have to do is give a voice command for your smart device to dim them to a certain percentage, or you can just simply ask your smart device to dim the lights and it'll dim them by, I believe, 25%. Or you can just keep asking for your smart device to dim these lights until they reach their most dim setting. So one thing I noticed with these lights is they were fairly easy to use. They were very easy to set up. I didn't have any issues. Anybody with a little bit of tech savviness should be able to connect these lights without any issues. If you are interested in the how-to video, maybe drop your comments down below, and if I get enough comments asking for a how-to video, then I'll make one for you guys. Alright, so let's talk about the downside of these lights. The only downside that I can think of is that they're strictly Wi-Fi, and they're not compatible with a 5 gigahertz signal. Other than that, they've been a fantastic purchase considering the price. Alright, so now let's discuss my opinion or my thoughts on these lights. So first let me start by saying I've been using these lights for approximately a year in my home theater slash family room, and I've been loving them. In the beginning I thought smart lights were a bit of a gimmick, kind of a waste, like how hard is it for you to just flick a switch when you walk into the room to turn the lights on? But the more I've used these lights, the more I've realized how convenient a smart light can be. I mean, I can be leaving any room in my house and ask my smart device to turn on either the theater room or the family room, and by the time I get down here the lights are on. I can have it dimmed, I can have it a certain color if I want. Let's say we're going to be watching a horror movie and I want to set the mood. I can just turn the whole room red, which is kind of cool. And another part of the convenience is once you've gotten comfortable in your recliner, you got your feet up, you're watching a movie, and you find that the lights are a bit bright, you can either dim them or just turn them off altogether with a simple voice command. You don't have to get up, you're already comfortable. So it's really convenient to just be able to give a command and the lights will do what you want them to do. So I've connected them using an Echo device and it's pretty much been working flawlessly. There has been a few times where they've disconnected, but it's usually user error or a Wi-Fi error. It's not necessarily the bulbs themselves. So I guess maybe that could be an inconvenience, as if your Wi-Fi is down, you do have to use the light switches to control these bulbs. But the nice thing is you can still use the light switches to control them. As far as the bulbs go themselves, they've been very reliable. I haven't had any issues with them. So I'm just going to cut to me giving the lights some commands here, so I can show you guys a little bit of the functionality of them. Turn display red.
Okay.
Turn theater room blue.
Okay.
Turn display white.
Okay.
Turn theater room white.
Okay.
Turn family room 10% brightness.
Okay.
Turn family room 100% brightness.
Okay.
Alright guys, to sum it all up, for $10 a bulb, that gives you full RGB lighting, it gives you adjustable white lighting, dimmable lighting, voice commands that work with both of the most popular smart home devices. You can't really go wrong. Of course, there are more expensive bulbs that might offer a little bit more functionality. For $10 a bulb and they can do everything that these bulbs do, I really have no desire to switch to any other lighting. I'm going to continue to use these lighting until they give me a reason not to, and so far they haven't, and I've been using them for about a year. So I can definitely recommend these bulbs to anybody looking for a smart home lighting solution for their home or their home theater. These are a great choice. For those of you that can't use the E26 bases, these are available in an E27 or ES base as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. And remember, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and tick the little bell icon so you can be notified when my next video drops. And if you appreciate this content, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps out my channel. Turn off the family room.
Okay.
And as always, stay techie.